Time is a circle.
Everything has happened before.
Everything begins again.
And in the end, so do we.
Along the road to Annaba, checkpoints are everywhere.
They stop us. They watch us. They let us pass.
Afghans know emergency.
It has been here for more than 20 years.
It has seen Kabul fall twice.
And it has stayed even when everyone else has left.
Few cars on the road.
If during the war, moving around could cost you your life, now it costs an arm and a leg. It's the price of a war whose devastation endures.
It's the price of a peace yet to be built.
In more remote areas, first aid starts here.
These are safer places, equipped to receive patients and transport them to hospitals.
Rashid describes how it used to be. More war-related injuries, more surgical emergencies.
Now there are victims of accidents, falls, and domestic violence.
The patients have changed, but not the quantity.
However, there's a shortage of doctors and medical supplies.
Rashid is here with his pregnant wife. Despite time running out, this is her first visit.
He's worried. He's heard of a woman dying in labor on the way to hospital. It will be okay. Inshallah.
We encounter stories of fathers and mothers,
Brothers and sisters.
everyday stories,
Already heard, but never truly listened to. First war, now poverty. It's just a different kind of prison.
There's more security, but it doesn't mean safety.
Because saving yourself is not within your control.
The distance from hospitals, the cost,
And the permission required to make the journey.
the availability of facilities.
Doctors and nurses.
How can you feel safe when you need everything?
How can you feel safe in an emergency?
Falcon on call. Falcon on call. Falcon 7 on call. Prepare to receive a patient from OT. The patient is adult. He just received laparotomy and needs mechanical ventilation. Over.
country exploited, destroyed, and forsaken.
A wounded people seeking help.
To heal the wounds that leave visible scars.
And to mend those whose marks are concealed.
To spread a song of freedom.
One that resonates here like a distant echo.